Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to attach and send a PDF file in an email. This video is short and to the point, so make sure to watch till the end. And if you find value in this video, give it a like and consider subscribing. Now let's get started. First, you need to open your email account. I'll be using Gmail for this tutorial. The steps should be similar for other email services as well. Click on Compose to start a new email. Here, enter the recipient's email address, add a subject, and write your email content. To keep this simple, I'll just write a sample email. Now, to attach your PDF file, look at the bottom of the email window. You'll see multiple icons. Find the paperclip icon. This is the attachment tool. When you hover over it, it will say Attach Files. Click on it. A file browser will open. Navigate to the location where your PDF file is saved. My file is in a folder on my desktop, so I'll select it and click Open. The file will take a few seconds to upload. Once it's done, you'll see the file name along with its size displayed in the email. Now, double-check the recipient's email address and content, then hit Send. And that's it. The email has been sent successfully. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions or want me to cover more PDF-related tutorials, let me know in the comments below. And as always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.